Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the Garmin Approach R10 launch monitor. A device that promises to revolutionize your golf practice at an affordable price. Now, before we get into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Let's jump right in. The Garmin Approach R10 is designed to bring professional-grade golf analytics and simulation right into your home or practice range. Priced competitively, it offers a comprehensive suite of features tailored for golf enthusiasts looking to refine their game without breaking the bank. First up, let's talk about the data. The R10 provides an impressive array of metrics, from club head speed and launch angle to spin rate and smash factor. Whether you're tweaking your swing mechanics or fine-tuning your approach shots, this device gives you the numbers you need. What I love most is its accuracy. While it may not match the precision of ultra-high-end models, it falls well within an acceptable range for serious golfers and enthusiasts alike. Moving on to simulation, the R10 doesn't disappoint. It offers access to thousands of virtual courses, allowing you to play rounds at famous venues or practice on your local course from the comfort of home. It's a great way to keep your game sharp during those off-season months. Plus, the device is surprisingly portable, making it easy to set up whether you're in your garage, backyard, or at the driving range. It's compact yet powerful, which is a big win for those who value convenience. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the subscription. While the basic features are available out of the box, some advanced functionalities, like full access to the course library, require a monthly or annual subscription. It's something to consider if you're on a budget, but for many, the added value is worth it. To sum it up, here are the pros and cons. On the upside, you get comprehensive data analytics, extensive course simulation options, and a portable design that's perfect for home setups. On the downside, it requires a fair amount of space and there's an additional cost for certain features. Personally, I found the Garmin Approach R10 to be a game-changer in my practice routine. It's helped me identify weaknesses in my swing and improve my consistency on the course. While it's not flawless, it offers tremendous value for its price point and has become an indispensable tool in my golf bag. That wraps up our review of the Garmin Approach R10. What do you think? Are you considering adding a launch monitor to your golf setup? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Until next time, keep swinging and we'll see you soon on Product Critique.